Do you use Telegram, maybe thinking of using Telegram and at the same time make more money or make money? If that is the case, this video is for you. What's up guys, my name is Belchior Pinto. Welcome to my channel. In this channel we talk about making money online, business, entrepreneurship, and everything in between. So please subscribe, hit the bell notification, and so that you can be part of this family. Remember, if you stay until the end of this video, I'm gonna give you some channel link that you can be part of right away and make some decent money. So there are many ways to use Telegram at the same time making money. Now, the first method is selling service or product. It's more for people who don't have that much followers, or maybe you want to promote by using other people's channel, which is you can, if you have a digital course, if you have any service that you want to sell online, you can go to these channels and promote your own service or products. The second one is more for people who already have their own channel and they want to start make money. You can sell ads, right? If you have a big channel with 50,000 followers or 45,000 followers, you can do that. And the second method is more for people who are beginning, or maybe also for bigger channels. You can ask for anybody who wants to be part of your channel to pay monthly fees, or maybe one-time payment like $1, $2, it depends. And I'm gonna give you an example. I'm gonna show you one channel that is doing it right now. This method is very good. It's passive income, and if your group or your channel is very good, a lot of people will come to be part of this channel. The other method is more for people who already have a big channel, like 50,000 followers and so on. You can sell your channel. You can go to Facebook groups and say, guys, look, I have this channel and I want to get rid of it. You can buy it and let's do it. Let's do it. Let's make money. And the other method is by mining cryptocurrency, right? With bots on Telegram. Is very popular, this method. But I won't talk about this method in this video. If you want me to talk about it on the next video, just comment below and I will do my best to talk about it. Guys, on the description below I'm gonna leave a link that you can access to get access to all these groups that you are seeing here, all these channels. Some of them are paid. Let me show you one example. As I told you in the beginning, this one is paid. Look, if you want to be part of this group, you have to pay $1. It's one-time payment, okay, one-time fee payment. You don't have, it's not a monthly fee. Just pay $1, send the $1 to PayPal to this guy, and then he's gonna accept you to be part of this group or channel that you also can promote and sell that stuff. Look, he's doing that with 800 members, right? And it's not that much. You can also do that. And all other channels is free. You can just click on the link and you will be accepted on these channels. As you may see, look, there are many people now selling service. As you can see, this guy is selling power likes on Facebook, on Instagram, for Instagram, YouTube if you want to views, yeah, TikTok. There are many services that people are promoting their own brand, selling books, dropship courses. So you can also come here and say if you also have courses that you are selling, if you have any service that you are trying to promote, you can come here and comment, and you will see a lot of people get in touch with you and make money. Okay guys, you see he's selling all these images. If you want to he can create image for you just for $15. 50 high quality posts for $15. That's good, very good. So guys, I don't want to go through all these groups because it's a lot. It's really a lot. So just use the link below, right? Use the link below and you can also start promoting and making money. If you don't have any service, any products to promote, go to ClickBank. I have many videos talking about it. Go to ClickBank and you can promote it almost everything. Okay guys, it's endless. There's no limit for that. And I don't know if there is something else that I need to cover in this video. And of course, if you want to create your channel, you go to your menus, new channel, right? New channel, put your name of your channel, and select any image, doesn't matter. Put here a description, okay? And after that, when you create your channel, you can go to Facebook groups and say, guys, I have my channel, and in my channel we talk about fitness, we talk about cryptocurrency, anything that you want. Talk to them, please guys, come and subscribe to my channel. Let's talk a little bit about it. And a lot of people will come, will accept you, and they will. Or also, the other way that you can do, I mean, is way better, is by using Facebook ads or using Pinterest ads. I think that Pinterest will be more cheaper than Facebook ads. Go to Facebook or go to Pinterest, create an ad, and put your link. The link of your group is this link right here. Put there in the description, or put there on the place that you have to put the link. If you want me to teach you how to increase more followers by using Pinterest ads, please just comment below, and I will be thankful to create another video for you guys. So again, thank you very much. I know that this video is, I don't know if I give you enough value. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I see you on the next video. Please guys, comment below what I failed, because I'm kind of new on the space. I mean, I'm kind of new, like creating Facebook, creating videos on YouTube, let's say, and I want you to teach me what I need to get better on the next videos, guys. So I appreciate you. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.